Alright, today in Packet Tracer we're going to be troubleshooting RIP version 2. And we're first going to go through and view the configurations and status connectivities of our end users and see what they're connected to and what they're not connected to, and then do some troubleshooting on the way through there. So the first thing we'll do is go to our first floor PC and go to our CLI, and then we'll ping our default gateway, which is 192.168.1.1, and that worked. And then we're going to see if we can reach our web browser, which is our for our Cisco web browser over here. We'll go to www.cisco.com, and it's not working. So we'll try to ping that IP address, see if we can reach it that way. 168.3.2, and saying that it's unreachable. And then what we're going to do is we're going to go and try our PC2, or on our second floor, and see if we can do it that way too. So we'll ping our gateway again. Okay, and that worked. So instead of trying doing our, we'll go to our web browser and try that too. And that's not working. So we'll ping that. And the consensus is it's not going to be working. No, unreachable. Okay. So what we're going to be doing is going to our core router first and looking at our configurations there. So we'll go enable, go into privilege exec mode, and we'll go show run. And we'll just hit spacebar so we can go further, and it shows us our interfaces, IP addresses, our encapsulations, and all that good stuff. And then we go down to our network here, which we are missing a network on here, and it's the 2.0 network, because we have our 1.0 network, our 254 network. So the way we set up that network is we will go to, we'll go show IP route 2 just to see what we got there, and it shows that we're directly connected to three different networks. So we have our 254 and our 1, but we need our 2 now. So what we'll do is we'll go into global configuration mode, and then we'll go into our router, which is we're using RIP, so we'll go into router RIP. Now we're into router configuration mode, and then we'll set up our network, which is 192.168.2.0. Okay, and then we'll go Control Z to go all the way back, and then we'll save it. Okay, and then we'll go show run again and see. Now our network's set up there. Alright, so get out of there, and then we'll go do the same thing with our corporate edge. Check out our networks there. We'll go into our show IP route again. Okay, and it says we got 2.1.2 or .1.0, 2.0, 3.0, 254. So what we'll do is, the RIP is the two dynamic, and the direct connections are the one I'm looking for, and we got 3 and 254. So we'll go into our show run and see if we have those two networks in there. And we have the 254, but we don't have 3. So what we'll do is we'll go ahead and plug in the 3.0 network. And so we'll go into global configuration mode, and then we'll go into our router mode. Okay, and we'll put on our network, which is 192.168.3.0. Okay, and then we'll Control Z, and we'll save. Okay, and then we'll go check that again. So we'll go show run again, and we have our 3.0 network in there. Okay, so then we're going to go through and we're going to verify our connectivity. And so what we'll do is we'll go back to our first floor PC here, command prompt, and we'll ping our web server. Okay, and we got through 3 out of 4 of them. And then we'll go and do the same thing with our second floor PC. And it looks like we are getting through now. And so that is how you would troubleshoot your RIP, and it seems to be network problems there, not setup. So let's see.